Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another episode of Christmas with Chelle. Today I'm making 2 giant Christmas wall art. I hope you enjoy. I started with some old canvases that I already had. Now I have a little stash of these guys in my garage, and I'm always thinking of ways that I can reuse them. I took this beautiful fake fur from my local Spotlight store and I cut it to size, and it was as simple as covering the entire canvas. Once I'd cut everything to size, it was now time to glue all the sides together. I folded the edges and then hot glued it and secured everything in place. Once I'd secured the entire canvas, I took a second canvas and did the same thing. I then took some dollar store silver sequin ribbon, and taking the larger canvas, I cut pieces to size so I would make a cross. I then took my hot glue gun and I secured it in place. I then took some gold glitter silver sequined ribbon and I also added that to the second canvas. To finish my project, I simply took a gold dollar store bow and secured it to the centre of my giant present. Here, guys, is a simple, inexpensive way to decorate this Christmas. Just by taking a few simple ideas, I was able to make a beautiful statement piece in my home. For the silver present, I took some more of that dollar store silver ribbon, and what I'm going to do here, guys, is create a bow. So I cut about 6 strips to size and I hot glued them at the join. Now it's as simple as just folding them over at the join, hot gluing them in place, and like a little bit of a flower, you will hot glue them all around. You will then also take some more of that ribbon, overlap it at the top, cut the edges like I did, and then hot glue that to the bow. I then secured to the centre this very pretty flower, which is a Christmas ornament, and I sat it in the centre. Guys, here is a simple way for you to create some beautiful wall art this Christmas. I love to show you beautiful DIY projects that anyone can do and projects that don't have to break the bank. Here is a tip. If you don't have any fake fur or you find it too expensive, take some of the old fur throws that you may have around and cut them up. Sometimes it can be very cost effective just by using a fake fur throw rather than buying fur by the metre. I also liked how it looked if I stood it upright. I love that it looked like a giant present in my hallway and it had that cozy fur feel I was after. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed another episode of Christmas with Chelle. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.